Here is the question, a good question. And if you go to choose the right option by procedure, then it will take much time. But in the examination, a candidate has to finish his her exam within a limited time period. So there are lot of questions in IIT exam in various years, when if one uses trick or example, then he gets the right option suddenly or straightway. So in this question we can choose the correct option by taking an example. But one thing, if you are going to choose the correct option with the help of an example, you have to prove three other options wrong. So let us see. In this question you see M and R, n is equal to 2 or greater than 2. So we can take n equals to 2. N equals to 2. Keep this in mind. Now then M and R will be M2R, 2 into 2 matrix, and here is A, an arbitrary matrix. You have to take an arbitrary matrix belonging to this M2R. So that means you have to take 2 into 2 matrix, and 2 into 2 matrix, and the simplest 2 into 2 matrix is the identity matrix. This matrix, this is the simplest. And if you go squaring or cube, then all these will be equals to the identity element. This means that here you see, this means that this will be the identity. So this set, actually this set, you see here different elements. It seems a square, but if you take a equals to I, then the all members will be equal. So this set collapses to a set containing only one element, that is the identity element. So the dimension of W will be 1, because here you got a set containing only one element, so the dimension is 1. Now we remember, at first I have taken n equals to 2. So according to this, n equals to 2. So 2 is a finite number, but you see here infinite. So this option is wrong. And for B, as you see, I have taken n equals to 2. Then this will be 4. But here I got the dimension to be 1. So this option is also wrong. And accordingly, n means 2, because I have assumed n equals to 2, but we have got 1 is less than 2. So this option C is also wrong. And this time there is no need to go to check D, because in such type of question only one option is correct, so D will be correct. But for the clarity, for self confidence, here you see at most n, and n is 2. So at most 2 means it may be 1 or 2. So we got 1. Accordingly our answer is according to this option D. So option D is our correct option.